Welcome back to my channel, and I appreciate you. Welcome. Why can't I talk? Hey everyone, this is Christopher. Welcome back to my channel, and I appreciate you watching today. Alright, so a few weeks ago I went to New York, and I came from East St. Laurent, or also known as St. Laurent now, and I thought that I would share them for you today. So I'm super excited. Please remember, if you have not, to please subscribe, to click the notification bell so you are aware every time I post a video. Also, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much. So I have an unboxing. It did come in a black bag. And I had such a great time in the store. I was overwhelmed. I actually picked up 2 items. Why did I hold up 4? I actually picked up 2 items, 2 pair of shoes. Alright, so the first item I have, they come in the black St. Laurent box. Alright, and let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. I actually almost forgot what I had because it's been a while. And I have been on the go, and I just kind of forgot what I bought there. But oh my goodness, I do remember these. So I bought some black dress shoes, and I love these. So take a look. They have like it's a monk strap, but I love how it crisscrosses. So it's just super unique, just a black leather. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. It has black tissue paper in them. These are actually a size 39, which I was surprised. I normally wear like a 40. I can do a 39.5 if the company sells it. But with the shoes that I got that day, I don't know what was going on. I don't know if my foot was small for the day or something. But I ended up buying size 39s, and they fit really good. So I'll actually have to try these on, make sure they're not too small before it's too late to exchange them out. But I love these shoes. This is something that I can wear to work. Of course, when I dress up, which is a lot, I can wear these as well. But I really wanted some good quality black dress shoes. So when I seen these, I got them. And I love them. Love them. So let me pull out the other one. Oh, it did come with 2 separate dust bags, and I love the St. Laurent dust bags. They're really good quality, and I love that they give you 2 as well. So this is the other one, the other shoe. Alright, so you have both of these. And so you have the 2 dust bags, and that is it. Oh, what's in here? Oh, I think this is my receipt. I believe so. Maybe it is my receipt. Let's see here. No, not at all. I guess just a care booklet. Just a care booklet with different languages, so I don't know, but I am super excited about these. So I'm going to try them on at the end of this video so you can see how they look on foot, and you'll have to keep your eyes open to see how I style them and what I wear them with. So, oh, I'm super excited, and they smell amazing. Smells so good, so good. So I had a great sales rep. His name was Michael, I believe. I believe it was Michael. For whatever reason, I always hook up with biblical names and people with biblical names. Just about all my sales associates have Bible names. So this is Michael. It's either Michael or, I'm going to say Matthew, but I don't think it's Matthew. But my receipt should be in here somewhere. But yes, I am excited about these. Super excited. Alright, so now we have to see what I got next. What else I have. First. Okay. Oh, okay, here's my receipt. Uh, his name is not on here. Mark, that's it. Yes, Mark. So he was excellent, excellent, excellent. So if you're in the New York area, please stop by the St. Laurent store and visit Mark. He'll take great care of you. Anyway, my second item comes in a larger box. Still a pair of shoes. And these I do remember. I was actually texting my family because they had these in different colors, and I was like, okay, which one should I get, or should I get all of them? And I actually went with the ones that didn't get a vote because me and Mark were like, well, these are different and they're darker, so for the fall, and I wanted a good fall shoe. So what I have are the high top St. Laurent sneakers. This is like a olive green color. It really looked olive green in the store. Now it looks almost black or brownish, but it is an olive green color. And what I love is that it has the gold, yellow gold, accents. It's accented in yellow gold with the writing with Saint Laurent and the top of the shoelaces. Love that. These are also a size 39. And what I loved and what also made me decide upon these were that it has the black bottom, so I don't have to worry about really messing them up and them looking old or dirty quick. So I really have been trying to get shoes with black or a colored bottom because I want to try to get a lot of wear out of my shoes, and a lot of times the sole, with it being white and the bottom of the shoe being white or a light color, I don't wear it as much, or if I am wearing it, I'm tipping around or only wearing it inside or something. So I look forward to wearing these shoes. I just can't stop smelling them. They smell so good. I love the smell of new items, new cars, new shoes, leather, all of that. This is a match to it. So yeah, I'm super happy about these. It's a piece of hair. Yeah, so I am super, super happy about these. Cannot wait to wear them. And that's what I have for you today. Let me wrap these back up. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more content being uploaded, and let me know what you would like to see. I actually got a request from someone and I filmed that request, so I'll be uploading that video really, really soon. And again, keep that notification bell on so you know when I upload and so you'll know what that video is. So if there's anything you want to see, would you like to see vlogs from me? Day in the life of me. I really don't do pranks, but I will. Just let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to see. I would be happy, and I'm open to suggestions and ideas. All right, so until next time, be blessed and do something that makes you happy.